People tonight, but everybody manatiling nakatayo, and we will start this program with an opening prayer to blood by Ms. Evangeline Tanay.
Amen. Tayo po ay manalangin. Mabuting Diyos, salamat Panginoon sa pinagdiriwang po namin, Panginoon. Nakasal po, Panginoon, nila Ate Crisel at ni Kuya Raymar, Panginoon. Salamat po, Diyos, sa mga tao rin po na naririto. Patuloy niyo po sila, Panginoon, na bigyan po ng kagalakan, Panginoon, at sa bawat gagawin po namin, ikaw yung patuloy na mag-ingat, ikaw yung patuloy na magkaloob, O Diyos, ng kagalakan at patuloy, Panginoon, na kasiyahan sa bawat isa po sa amin, Panginoon. Salamat po at pinupuri ka po namin, pinapasalamatan sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen and amen.
Thank you so much, Ms. Evangeline Tanay, for the opening prayer. Manatiling nakatayo for the promise of love. Everybody, please raise your right hands like this. Pakitaas po ang mga kanang kamay. At pakiulit po ang mga salitang sasabihin ko. Ako si... Sige pa, pakibanggit po ang inyong mga pangalan. Hindi kayo kasali. Nanangangakong? Hindi mo na uuwi? Pagkatapos kumain. At mananatili? Parang pahina na po ng pahina. Hanggang sa matapos? Ang selebrasyon? Dahil mahal na mahal ko sa Rimar at Esel. Wow, grabe naman ang pagmamahalin. O, taas po ng kamay, pipicturean ko kayo isa-isa. Para po may ebidensya po tayo mamaya. But everybody, we have two questions for each and every one of you. And please answer me with a loud yes or no. Gusto niyo po bang mapasaya ang ating bagong kasal? It is a yes or no? Yes! Uuwi na po ba kayo pagkatapos po ninyong kumain? It is a yes or no? No! Ladies and gentlemen, samahan po natin ang ating bagong kasal, Raymar and Esel, Mr. and Mrs. Fernanda, all throughout the celebration tonight. What about we give them once again a big round of applause? Bigyan naman natin sila ng mga cash na bagay. Maraming pong salamat for welcoming our newlyweds. Maaari na po kayong mopo. And please don't forget, you will be staying with us all throughout the celebration tonight. Welcome! Ramdam niyo yung energy ng Madlang people. Mukhang ako yung mapapagod ngayong gabi na to. I feel the energy. But of course, welcome once again on your wedding program. Don't worry, it's finally over. Konting oras na lang gagraduate na kayong dalawa. Your friends, your family, your relatives are here celebrating this wonderful day with you. Anong nararamdaman mo as of the moment?
I don't feel any pressure. Hindi, masaya po na nandito po yung buong family namin, yung friends. Kasi sobrang piling-pili yung mga taong nandito. And sobrang dear nila sa amin. So I'm very happy na napagsama-sama namin sila sa isang lugar. Yun lang po.
Palapakin naman po na itong ladies and gentlemen, our lovely bride. And of course, Raymar, anong ina-expect mo naman mangyayari on the whole reception program?
Wala po kayo pa kundi umuwi lahat ng may ngiti sa labi, lahat nag-enjoy at maging hindi makalimutan yung gabi na to, yung araw na to na nakasama po namin yung bawat isa inyo. Kaya sobrang salamat po sa inyo lahat, na-appreciate po namin kayo, mahal namin kayo.
Pas po ng inyong mga cellphones. Why? Because ladies and gentlemen, this time, we will be announcing the numbers kung saan po kayo magsisend ng inyong kompletong pangalan. Because 5 of you will have a chance to win our luxury prizes for this evening. May we have our paper bags, please? Isa po sa inyo ang mag-uuwi ng Dior. One lucky guest will have a chance to win a coach. One lucky guest will have a chance to go home with a Prada. Isa po sa inyo ang mag-uwi ng LV. And to complete our luxury prizes, one of you will be going home with a Versace. So if you want to go home with these 5 luxury prizes, pakilabas na po ng inyong mga cellphones because I will be announcing the numbers now. Uulitin ko po, kompletong pangalan lang po ang kailangan nyo i-send. Here we go! 09 1, 5, 8, 7, 0, 3, 4, and the last two numbers will be announced on the last part of the program. So yan po ang kailangan niyong abangan at pagkatutukan. Once again, the first 9 numbers are 0915-870-34. Abangan po ninyo ang huling dalawang numero. It will be announced on the last part of the program. Let's find out sino kaya ang 5 lucky guests who will be going home with our 5 luxury prizes. And aside from that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to have our award. Meron po tayong mga awards na ihanda for some of the lucky guests tonight. We have our early bird award na pinamaagang dumating today. We also have our best male OOTD sa mga nag-effort pang mag-BS tonight. We also have our best female OOTD, most emotional during ceremony. We also have who traveled farthest. O so, kung sino pinakamatagal na bumiyahe or sino po yung may pinakamalayong pinanggalingan para samahan kami on this very special day. And aside from that, we have the Dear Shadow Award sa mga nag-send po ng kanilang mga messages on the RSVP para po sa ating bagong kasal. So let's find out all the awardees on the last part of the program. Good luck everybody and abangan po ninyo ang huling dalawang numero.